Write what you know, so they say. All I know is I don't know what to write or the right way to write it. This is big, lady, don't screw it up. This is not some little vaudeville I'm reviewing. Poor little kids versus rich, greedy sourpusses. Huh, it's a cinch, it could practically write itself, and let's pray it does. Cause if I may have mentioned, I have no clue what I'm doing. Am I insane? This is what I've been waiting for. All that, plus the screaming of 10 angry editors. A girl, it's a girl, how the hell is that illegal? Look, just go and get her. Not only that, there's a story behind the story. Thousands of children exploited, invisible. Speak up, take a stand, and there's something to write about. Yes, that's how things get better. Life, little guy, somebody can find when he tries. Just watch what happens. Those kids will live and breathe right on the page, and once they're center stage, you watch what happens. And who's there with her camera and her pen? As boys turn into men, they'll storm the gates, and then just watch what happens when they do. Picture a handsome, heroically charismatic, plain-spoken, no, nothing skirt, chasing cocky little son of a. Lie down with tugs, and you wake up with a raise and a promotion. So he's a flirt, a complete egomaniac, the fact